Acha, I will not correct you in between today. It's a normal role play that goes on. Okay? ठीक है. Okay, your preparation time is over. You can start speaking now.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
My name is Deepa, one of the registered nurse working in this emergency department. I'm the nurse who is taking care of Alex. I'm speaking to Alex's mother.
Yes.
How may I address you?
You can address me by my first name, Monica.
Thank you, Monica. I see that your son is suffering with headaches and vomiting. So doctor has ordered for MRI scan. So now your son is getting MRI scan, and this MRI scan gives clear image and information about the symptoms. So do not worry. And do you know anything about MRI?
Well, I have no idea about MRI scans. I think it is just like an X-ray.
Well, Monica, it is similar to X-ray, but it is not like X-ray scan, because this MRI is a non-invasive procedure using a large machine which is having tube-like structure, and this large tube has a table, and on the table your son will be lying throughout the procedure, and thus that table will slide into the tube. Hence it is a painless procedure, but it will have a little bit noise. So throughout the procedure the child will still on the table, and this procedure will take approximately 30 to 45 minutes. I hope you're following me, Monica.
Yes, I understand that, nurse. But I am really concerned that my son will not be able to stay still for this long time. I would like to be with my son throughout the scan.
Well, Monica, I understand your worries, but let me tell you, during the procedure, the child will be getting sedation, and so to stay still throughout the procedure. And as I said, this MRI is a magnetic resonance image. It has a high resonance image, so you cannot stay with your child. It may get disturbed during the procedure, so you may wait with adjacent room. Are you okay with that, Monica?
Well, nurse, I understand this, but I really don't